believe me, these rich people, they're not going to sit there and let their money just dwindle away over their principles. They're not principled people. So just know they probably have a plan. They've got a plan. They're going to get money. They're going to get this market back up at some point. They just may not do it in right away. That's the issue. All right. So basically with Tesla stock, let me pull it back up on the screen because I want to take a look at that. Hit the thumbs up button, thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And also, if you want to join us for Money in the Morning, we do a class every morning called Economic Elevation. If you want to elevate your economics and get smarter, we do a free morning class every single day at 10 a.m. Eastern. So just text the word morning to the number 87948. So text morning to the phone number 87948. So here is Tesla stock. So year to date, 31%, 0.6% down. That's terrible. But the last year, look at that. Look at that. I mean, just this, look at perspective. Perspective. Like my mom used to say, look at Guy. Look at Guy. Anyway, look, if you switch your perspective, this is crazy. Tesla stock looks like a complete absolute dog if you go back to the beginning of the year. But if you click and go back a full year, you've made 47.9%. How crazy is that? 166 right here, as high as, what was that? 479. That's pretty cool. And even now, with all the money that they've lost, they're still ahead. The long-term investors of Tesla are still winning. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. And this really speaks to the multivariate dynamic of wealth. See, a lot of people, when they see that Tesla is losing money, they assume that that means Elon Musk is losing money. I don't know if that's the case. I don't know if Elon Musk is losing money. He ain't going broke, but I don't know how much money he's losing. You know why? You know why? Well, because he's diversified. He's well diversified. This man owns what, 40% of SpaceX. SpaceX is growing by leaps and bounds. SpaceX is valued at over 100 billion. So this man has money everywhere. He's got other, other dishes cooking on the stove. So you can go burn down a Tesla factory. You can go and camp out in the parking lot of the Tesla dealership. You can go vandalize people's Teslas and make them not buy a Tesla. But what people don't understand is that don't know economics. They don't understand that this man has protected himself financially. And also maybe he's willing to go down to just a measly 100 billion in net worth to do what he's going to do. So I don't think this is going to slow him down. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think that all these boycotts and everything are really going to work. But then again, you can decide what you want. I'm not telling you to like the man. I'm just telling you, I want you to like the money. I want you to have money. So if you look at Tesla, just to finish this up, you go back 5 years, you see Tesla investors over the last 5 years have 7x'd their money. So if you've been a long-term investor, that's where the big winners are. So if you want to be a big winner in any stock, let's say you want to you want to jump into Tesla and you want to do well. My belief, my thought, my honest perception is that you want to be a long-term investor and don't just get caught up in the short window, because the short window will deceive you. What else is going on? Trump Media and Technology Group, which is kind of like a BS company. It's kind of crappy, actually. The parent company of True Social became the first company listed on the newly established New York Stock Exchange, Texas. So it's New York in Texas. So it's like rough New Yorker meets the country boy down in Texas. All right. So New York Stock Exchange, Texas, while its primary listing remains on NASDAQ, which Trump's company, this move signifies a competitive shift in the stock exchange landscape, with Texas emerging as a potential financial hub. I think that's going to happen, right? I think that what happened during the pandemic, I'm going to say this.